Hello everyone and welcome back to Unit 5 Functions, and we studied about the basic definition of functions, and we recapitulate about the main function, what is its important. We also verified the reusability of the functions and how they help us, how they are reusable. Okay, and now we are going to define the types of functions that we have. The very first of the two type of the function is library function, also called as predefined function. And the definition says library functions are the predefined function in programming system. These are known as built-in functions. You can say that they are functions pre-written by some user, or you can say some programmer or some XYZ company, or you can say they are pre-written. Someone has written their definition for us, and we are directly using them in our program without any hesitation or without any issue. Okay, so we have many different libraries that can help us, and we have particularly used the functions of math.h library, which provides us the mathematical functions. You can see in here all the functions, and there are many more C libraries that you can see. There is look there is math.h, stdio, we always stdlib, then we have string.h, time.h, ctype.h, and ctype.h header file declare a set of functions to classify and transform individual character. Okay, so it has some function which manipulates the character itself. This function is a number, checks the alphanumerical character. This check is a alpha, checks whether the character is an alphabet or not, and there are is to lower, so it converts the uppercase character to lowercase character, and this checks is upper checks whether the character is in uppercase or in lowercase. Then we have string.h library, which manipulates the string. If you don't know what is string is just the statements, or you can say basic printing statements that we use. Hello there for printing, so hello there is a string itself, or you can say it is an array of character, or you can say it is a line of characters. Okay, so it is simply that. If you don't know the meaning of array, you don't need to worry, I'm again saying that. So we have many more libraries. You can check them out yourself, and there are a lot of predefined functions, and they will help us in writing our program. Okay, and we use a particularly to scanf and print a function, a lot of standard input and output library. Okay, so that was all about the library, or you can say the predefined functions. And then we have the user defined function that we just demonstrated here, the hello and bye. They are user defined because they were not defined anywhere in some library, and we have not inserted the library and used those functions. We have written the definition of these two functions on our own, and we have used them. So they are basically, C provides facility for programmers to define their own function according to, sorry, there should be TO, to their requirement. The functions defined by the programmer are known as user defined functions. So the functions that we are going to make ourselves as a programmer, we are going to define ourselves as a programmer, are called user defined functions. Okay, and how to write those functions, how to make those functions, what is the syntax that we need to follow while making a function, what are the rules that we need to follow while naming a function, and what are the things that we need to keep in mind while writing a function. We will see all this in next video, where we are going to uh, discuss the structure of a function. So see you all in the next video.